Everyone thinks smoothies are one of the healthiest things you can drink, but some fruit combinations can turn that healthy smoothie into something that could seriously harm you. They look clean and they taste friggin' amazing, but inside your body, it's a whole different story. And I bet you've already made at least one of these combinations. I'm exposing the 3 worst fruit pairings you can put in your smoothies and what to replace them with if you want real energy instead of hidden crashes. I'm going to start with a combination that you've likely had before: bananas and berries. You know how berries are expensive, and you buy them because they're supposed to be good for your heart. Well, bananas have this enzyme called polyphenol oxidase that can slightly reduce certain antioxidants in berries. That means some of the compounds you're paying for might not be absorbed as efficiently. So you're spending money on blueberries thinking you're doing something good for yourself, only for your banana to steal a bit of their power. When you eat berries with low enzyme fruits, you absorb way more of the beneficial compounds than people who eat them with bananas. Here's the smarter swap. Pair your berries with mango or pineapple. You still get that creamy tropical smoothie, but your body absorbs more of the antioxidants you came for. Your heart will actually get the protection you think you're already getting. Then there's a combo that can sneak up on you: the fruits and vegetables combo. I know. You might think tossing fruit and vegetables together is harmless, but your digestive system processes fruits and vegetables completely differently. Your stomach can get overloaded when you try to process too many different textures and fiber types at once. Fruits tend to break down faster, while fibrous vegetables take longer. When you combine fruits and vegetables in a single smoothie, they don't always digest at the same pace. So when they're blended together, that mismatch can lead to fermentation in your gut, which is why you may experience bloating, gas, or discomfort afterward. Your gut and your skin are closely connected. So when your digestion is constantly under stress, it can show up in subtle ways, like breakouts, irritation, or flare-ups if your skin is already sensitive. Think about the people you know who drink green smoothies religiously, but still have skin issues or digestive problems. This might be why. So keep smoothies simple and keep fruits separate from vegetables. If you want green, do vegetables only, with maybe some lemon and spices. If you want fruit, keep it fruit only. Your stomach will definitely thank you. Then the third one: high sugar fruits with dairy, bananas in milk, mangoes in yogurt. Sounds delicious, right? But these are literally fermenting in your stomach. These blends can slow your digestion and cause bloating. When high sugar fruits like bananas or mangoes hit the proteins and fats in dairy, it can leave you feeling heavy and gassy. This is why you feel bloated or sick about an hour after drinking these smoothies. You're creating a fermentation process inside your digestive tract. Plus, this whole mess slows down how well you absorb nutrients from both the fruit and the dairy. If you want creamy fruit smoothies, use coconut milk or almond milk instead. Or if you really want dairy, stick with low sugar fruits like berries. You still get that creamy bliss without the digestive drama. You might be thinking that you've been doing this for years and you feel just fine. The thing is, these effects build up over time. Your afternoon energy crashes, skin problems that won't clear up, digestive issues you've just learned to live with, these could all be connected to how you're combining your foods. Your digestive system produces specific enzymes for specific foods. When you mix things that need completely different processing, you stress out your entire system. And that stress shows up in ways you might not even connect to your diet. Natural foods work best in the right combinations. Even simple fruits like a banana can slow your digestion if you pair it with fruits it is not compatible with. And remember, portion size matters. Even the healthiest smoothie can backfire if you overload the blender. Your digestive system is powerful, but it has its limits. Large, heavy smoothies can leave you sluggish. Even natural sugars can spike your blood sugar if overdone. And since I've already warned you about bananas, you won't believe the other ingredients you should never blend with them. I'll show you which ones in this next video. Go watch it now.